Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube video. In this particular YouTube video, I'll be showing you how to combine two or more PDF documents into a single PDF document. I'd also like to inform you that I've already made a video on how to save Microsoft documents into PDF documents. I'll put the link in the description below on how to save Microsoft documents as PDF documents. But in this particular video, I'm here to show you how to combine two or more PDF documents into a single PDF document. Now, I've also made a video on where to download free softwares. If you don't want to spend a lot of money downloading softwares, just go to getintopc.com. I'm already live here on getintopc.com. All you have to do is open your browser, make sure you are connected to the internet, type getintopc.com on your browser. You will see a search panel here where you will search Wondershare PDF element. Wondershare PDF element, that's the software I'll be using to combine two or more PDF documents into a particular single PDF. If you're in Nigeria, it's applicable for students who are writing their projects. If you have a section that starts with Roman numerals or Roman figures, and then you want to proceed to a section numeric values, you want to use Wondershare PDF elements as a software that will combine the two. You can make them separately. On Microsoft Word, you have to insert numbers as Roman numeral on one file, and also on the second file you can also insert numeric values as page numbers. So on doing those two documents, you can combine them into one singular version. So here's how we're going to do it. Go to getintopc.com, you search Wondershare PDF elements, just search it, then look for the latest one, the one that is latest, because you want to download the one that is current so that you can be able to get. I've already opened the Wondershare PDF element. So here is the file. The setup size is 128 megabytes, and then you need to have a RAM of at least 1 gig to be able to install this software. Hard drive, you need to have a space of about 200 MB on your hard drive to be able to install. And then you have the processor speed, should be like 1 gigahertz or higher processor. I'm using a much better processor, so I don't have any problem with all of these basics. So we'll proceed to downloading the documents. I've already downloaded it and I have it installed on my PC. So going to open the Wondershare PDF element. So here is the Wondershare PDF element. So what I'm going to do now is to go straight to the point and combine my PDF documents into one singular PDF document. So on this section we have create PDF, convert PDF, we have batch process, we have combine PDF, and then PDF templates, edit PDF. You can also edit PDF here. So what I'm going to do now is to click the combine PDF. So thank you very much for following me. So I'm going to click on combine PDF. So here it is. You click add PDF. I have two folders here that I want to actually combine. It is. Once you drag and drop, just wait for a few seconds or few moments, then you should have it. Here you have you can also choose the pages you would like to have on the final combination of the PDF documents. So this is one, this is two. So these are the two PDF documents I'd like to combine. So all you need to do is click next. So here it is. I have 5 lessons of, so you just have to scroll down and then find out whether the whole page or the whole pages are being combined, or the full documents are being combined. So this is just how to combine two PDF documents. Once you have combined this and you verify that this is what you intend to have, all you need to do is to just go to File and then export it. You can click Save As, browse on your system, and then look for where to combine. You just save it with any name. In the original documents, we have 34 pages. For the first PDF, in the second one we have how many pages? We have 18 pages. So 18 plus 34 becomes 52. The two have been combined into one singular PDF document. So I'll be dropping the link to download this particular software in the description below. I'll be dropping the link to also watch the video that I created on how to save Microsoft Word document as PDF in the description below. I'll also be dropping the link on how to download free documents or free softwares from the internet or online or wherever you are in a video. I'll be dropping, it's already in the video, I'll be dropping the link on the description below. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and peace.